Let's go, move, move, move.
You ready, good?
Break that grip. Let's come on, set it up.
Hey, lower your level.
Good shot. Get onto your feet, feet. Double. Go to the double. Go to the double.
Hey, circle it.
Good job, Liam. There you go, snap, 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 snap. Break his base, break his base.
No.
You gotta act quickly with that. Don't let him turn you again. Just stay flat. Liam, stay flat. Stay flat. Come on, move, move. Good shot. Finish, finish, finish that.
Go.
Drive. Switch to the double. Drive. Switch to the double. Liam, switch to the double. Nicely done. Good job.
Hey, nice shot, Red. If you have a close mouth, I'm going to kick you in the throat. That's how bad it is.
Get off your knees. That's it. That's it. Good. Wrench, wrench, wrench. Knee under. Come on. Knee under.
Number 4 for Crystal Lane of Liberty High. Crystal Lane of Liberty, this is your first time.
Finish. Go to the double. Go to the double. Go to the double.
The women's tournament is taking place over there.
Get off.
Get off your back now!
Get up. Move. Come on. Keep moving.
Hey, that's out. His chest is out.
Come on. Short time. Take him down.
Score, Liam!
Let's go. Come on. There you go. Set it up.
10 seconds.
There you go. Take his back. Let's go. Move. Let's move. Let's move.
You will be taking that 7.
Snap. Snap. Good shot. Come on. Finish that. Finish that. Get your head off the mat. Pick yourself up. Stick him here. Let's go. Finish him here. Finish him here. Rich. Rich. Come on, Rich. Knee under. Knee under.
Got it.
Oh, tighten that. Let's go. Score. Sprawl, 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 sprawl. Circle, circle. Liam, when you're close to the edge, you gotta circle away from it.
It's worse that way, Liam.
Finish. Come on. Throw that. Come around the body. Get your leg free.
Jay Ball of Chargers to Matt 9.
Hey, Liam, get tough on top.
Leg. Pick your head up. Get back to your feet. Get back to your feet.
Number 7.
There it is. Hit it. Got it.
That's it. Yeah, you won.
That's a good match. I feel like it's a high scoring match. Yeah. 22 points.
Yeah. I've actually, most I've seen is like 28.
Yeah.